Finishing is better than starting. Patience is better than pride. Ecclesiastes 7 verse 8. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair video, and today I'm featuring Asteria hair. If you'd like to see how I got this look, then please carry on watching. Okay, so this is the box the wig comes in. You get a satin bag, a edge band, a wig cap, lashes, and a comb. So I have a 24-inch curly wig, and as you can see, the lace already comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked. And this color is honestly the most perfect brown. It's very rich and warm, and they've bleached the knots on this lace to perfection. This is how it looks on without any foundation. I'm going to show you what it looks like after. As you can see, it just blends into my skin really nicely. The color match is great, and this lace is great quality. Usually I have to go in and pluck more, but I don't really have to do that with this wig. Now I'm just going to part around my ear to create my ear tabs. Then I'm going to take some tweezers and take away a little bit of the hair in the middle just to get rid of that widow's peak effect. I'm going to take my nail or eyebrow scissors, and I'm just going to cut the lace in a zigzag motion. You don't want it to be a straight line, you want it to be more of like a jagged effect. And I just find I have a lot more control using scissors. I'm going to take my Eben lace melt spray and use that to just melt the lace to my skin. I don't really want to use anything too strong, and I don't want to use just spritz on its own. So I feel like this spray is perfect. Like, it has a really strong hold. So I'm just going to take my blow dryer and just melt that into my skin. Now I'm going to take some spritz on my finger, and this is just what's going to melt that lace even more so it sinks into my skin real nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to create some edges. So I'm going to part out a few sections of the hair and just cut them really short. Then I take my mini straighteners that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to curl those hairs in place, and this just helps them to lay a lot nicely once I use my spritz to mold them. I just want to show you guys, this is the lace once everything is nice and melted. I was going to do a middle part, but I just thought I prefer the no part look. So this is me just showing you guys how big the frontal area is and how you can style it in different parts. So a side part, a middle part. But today I'm going to go for the no part look. So I'm going to take my Caracare wax stick and a hot comb just to get rid of that part and just to push all the hairs back out of my face. And I'm going to melt my lace further using the melting band. So I'm going for more of the dry look, but I want to show you how the hair looks once it's wet. So I'm going to take some water in a spray bottle and some curl activator. This is just going to give the hair some shine and show you, give you an idea of how it looks like once it's wet. Once it's wet, it obviously turns a bit darker, so it looks like it's a dark brown, like a natural dark brown. But once it's dry, it's a really rich brown, almost an auburn, like it's a really nice color. The lace on this wig is amazing. Like, the lace melts so well into my skin. It's plucked to perfection and it's bleached to perfection. The knots are bleached to perfection. I have nothing bad to say about this lace at all. It is amazing. The hair is coloured. I feel like the curls require a lot more moisture, and I feel like the curling activator and stuff like that, conditioner, like it needs that just so it stays shiny and bouncy. But yeah, this is how the wig turned out. This was super easy to do. All the details on this hair will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.